All India Institute of Medical Sciences Bhopal organized the annual conference of the Association of Radiation Oncologists of India, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh chapter. This conference included participants from all over the state of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. The aim of this conference was to discuss the recent advances of radiation oncology in different sites of the cancer. Many students, residents from all across the state have participated and discussed their research findings. We also had the Professor M.S. Dwivedi oration during this conference, which was delivered by Professor Dr. Ajay Singh, Executive Director and CEO of AIIMS Bhopal. The oration gave an outline and summary of the current status and the future directions of orthopedic oncology and in India. This conference will help the state of Madhya Pradesh to develop a network of delivery of the advanced cancer care in the state and beyond.